Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to your physics class. This side Pooja Sharma, your physics teacher. I hope you all are fine, you all are healthy. Gurinder, don't do this. You can eat first and then you can attend, okay? No problem. Take your time, take 2 minutes. Okay, so let's begin up with the class. We are going to do the revision first of all. Children, first I request all of you to kindly switch on the camera. Kindly switch on your camera, everyone. Okay, Ji. So, children, in the previous class, we have covered the concept of acceleration. Any doubt till there? And any doubt? Hanji, Ansh.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the in-text questions.
Hanji.
Ma'am, in the first set of questions, the second question, the former one.
That is a numerical, yes?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay,
I
don't
didn't
worry, we
understand
will
that.
reach to the numericals also. We just did, I guess, 2 numericals till now. Yes, that is because we have just started. So I just
Ma'am,
told
will that
we
come in
go-
the exam?
No.
Will that come in the exam?
No. What
Okay.
we have covered in the class, you will be having the exam from there only. Fine. Numericals, abhi just we have done the introduction, so don't worry about that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, the topics are going to come till rate of change of velocity, that is still acceleration. But basically from what we have, because right now you just have attended 3 to 4 of the classes. Yes, not more than that. So we will go with the numericals, but one by one. If I take you to all the lengthy numericals first, then obviously then you will say that numericals बहुत difficult है ना? So we'll go one by one with the numericals, and they are very easy. Trust me, आपको समझ में भी आ जाएंगे. Okay. So, okay, who is going to tell me what we have covered in the previous class? Hanji, Jasmine.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear.
Ma'am, in the last class, we have started with numericals. You have done numericals with us. 2 numericals were
Two
done.
numericals regarding acceleration.
Ma'am, yes, regarding acceleration, velocity.
Okay. Okay, now I'm going to take you to the screen. Nityam, please mute yourself. We are going to do one more numerical. Fine. And this is going to be from your book only. Okay, so the first question we are going to begin up with. It's onto your book, example 8.2. If you want to just see from the book, else I'll be writing the question onto the screen for those who don't have the book. Okay, so your eyes onto the screen. The question is the odometer of the car. Okay, in the car there is one odometer. You know what is odometer? हाँ जी, boys को पता होगा ज़्यादा है ना? हाँ जी, what is odometer? Raise your hand if anybody knows what is odometer. हाँ जी बेटा.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear.
Ma'am, odometer is a device which is used to measure the distance traveled by a vehicle.
Very good, very good. Odometer is fitted in the cars. You know, there is one device where it is written कि कार कितनी चल गई है. It is written 150 kilometer. Then Ritikesh, you are looking very smart. Now please concentrate. Like there is one device where it is written that you have traveled 150 car कितनी चली है 150 kilometer or 200 kilometer, 212 kilometer, all that. Fine. If you have not seen that, when you sit next time, must check it out. Okay. Or if you see, if you watch any serial or any movie, like in the auto rickshaw, there is one device. When you sit and start the journey, they switch on the device, then they switch it off, and then they see that how much meters you have covered, and accordingly they charge you. Fine. So that is the odometer, which is going to tell you the distance covered. Got it? Okay. So the odometer of the car reads 2000 kilometer at the start of the trip and 2400 kilometer at the end of the trip. So it's written 2000 kilometer at the start of the trip and 2400 at the end of the trip. If the trip took 8 hours, calculate the average speed of the car in kilometer per hour and meter per second. So this is the question given to you. Panchal, please switch on the camera. Okay, so odometer reads 2000 kilometer at the start of the trip. मतलब डिवाइस के ऊपर ट्रिप की स्टार्टिंग में लिखा था 2000, then you at the end it is written 24. चलो, my question is to Panchal, please unmute yourself बेटा. Good afternoon Panchal. हाँ जी Panchal, please unmute. Okay, Difteshwar, this is the first question which we are starting with. This is example 8.2 from your book. If you have that, okay. Otherwise, I have written it onto the screen. And before that, we have just done the revision of what we have already covered. Hanji, who is going to tell? Hanji, Puneet, please unmute.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Puneet. Acha, Puneet, the question is, you started from a point where it is written 5 kilometers. Okay? Then you reach to the next point. आप walk करते गए and you reach to the point where it is written 7 kilometers. How many kilometers you have covered?
2 kilometers.
2 kilometers. Anyone else with some other answer? Or is Puneet correct? आपने 5 से स्टार्ट किया और आप 7 तक पहुंचे, तो आपका आंसर 7 किलोमीटर नहीं आएगा बिकॉज यू हैव नॉट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 0. आपने 5 से स्टार्ट किया. तो हमने कैसे सॉल्व किया? 2 आंसर इज करेक्ट. हाउ यू डिड इट? 7 minus 5 तभी आया 2. ओके, so 2 kilometer. What we can say this actually? Final minus initial. Final means where you reach minus initial. Initial means from where you started. Fine. So final minus initial is going to tell you the answer. Okay. Similarly, now in the question, they are saying the odometer of the car reads 12,000 kilometer at the start. Starting, sorry, 2000. Starting में 2000 था और बाद में आया 2400 किलोमीटर. अच्छा, तो टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना कवर हुआ? What is the total distance covered? हाँ जी दक्ष.
Ma'am, the distance covered in the trip would be 400 kilometers.
Very good. How we are going to do that? 2400 kilometer minus 2000, that is 2000. हाँ जी सुखमन, same answer. It's okay. So how you can write that? Initial distance. Initial distance, that is 2000 kilometer. Then final distance, that is 2400 kilometer. Then time is also given. 2000 से 2400 तक आने में आपको कितना टाइम लगा? You took 8 hours. And you have to find out average speed. अच्छा, now what is this average speed? Average speed होता क्या? Speed का फॉर्मूला था distance over time. Average speed means total distance over time. Total कितना distance cover किया? Divide by total कितना time लगा to cover that distance. Okay. Let's say you go from one point to another. पहले आपने 5 मीटर कवर किए in 2 seconds. Then you covered 7 meter in 3 seconds. Then you cover 6 meter in 2 seconds. Now if somebody asks what is the average speed? Average speed होता है sum of all the distances divided by sum of all the times. Fine. Total distance divided by total time. Okay. Now let's do the question. हमने given लिखा है अभी. Now we are going to check the conversion. So 2000 kilometer is not the standard, but they want us to find the answer in kilometer per hour also. So for the timing, we are going to leave it. Do you understand what I'm saying? Actually, we have to convert kilometer into meter. आप कर भी सकते हो, no problem. If you can leave it, then also no problem, because end में आपको kilometer per hour में they ask the answer in kilometer per hour as well. Okay. So proceeding on, final distance, then time. Achha, one thing we have to write over here, that is distance covered. is equal to 2400 minus 2000 is equal to 400 किलोमीटर. ठीक है, ये सॉल्व करके जरूर लिखना. Okay. Okay, now second step we are just skipping over here a little. Moving on with the third, that is the formula to write. So formula of average speed is what? Average speed is equal to total distance. God bless you. Divide by total time. So yes, what is the total distance? It is 400 kilometer. Divide by time. Time is 8 hours. So when you are going to cancel it, 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40, and one more 0. So 8 50s are 400. So you get the answer as 50 kilometer per hour. Done. This is one thing which they asked for. They asked that find out the speed in kilometer per hour. So here it is. Also they asked to convert it into meter per second. अब यहाँ पे इसको मीटर पर सेकंड में कन्वर्ट कर दो. तो कन्वर्जन तो हो गई. Rather than doing there, we did it here. So 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर को मीटर पर सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करना है. मल्टीप्लाई द नंबर विद 5/18. Do the cancellation. 2 9s are 18. 2 25s are 50. So 25 5s are 125. Divide by 9. करिए solve. Convert it into the decimals, please. 125 divide by 9. Okay. After having 1-2 more classes, we will try to introduce the tricks to solve the numericals also. Fine. One trick, 1 week. Like we have 2 lessons, so one trick, it just take 2 minutes to tell you about the trick. Fine. So we will try to have that. That's going to be very helpful for solving the numericals. जैसे ये divide कर रहे हो, that will be easy way for solving. Okay, so that will be saving your a lot of time. So 9 ones are 9. Left up with 3, then 5. आगे 9 4s are 36. 9 3s are 27. Left up with 8.0. 9 9s are 81, which is greater. So 9 7s are 72. Then again 8. So your answer is going to be 13.7 meter per second. Anji, done? So the answer is 13.7 meter per second. Anji, Rosedeep.
Ma'am, it will be 9 8s are 72. You've written 7.
Acha, thank you. Thank you so much. So it's going to be 9 8s are 72. Chalo. So the answer is 13.8. Very good. This shows the presence of mind in the class. Okay. हाँ जी दाक्ष, any other? और क्या गलत कर दिया?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, you raise your hand, बेटा.
Ma'am, I think it was by mistake.
Okay, okay. हाँ जी, I hope it is clear now, everyone. I hope the question is clear. Chale, you can note it down, then we are going to move on with the next question. हाँ जी सुखमन.
Ma'am, in my book, the answer is 13.9, but it is coming 13.8.
My book means? It is 13.9 only. Answer वही है. Fine. Why? Because, okay. Okay, this is done. May I erase this? Very good thing, Sukhman, which you said. It is going to be here 13.9. हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 13.9. Kindly do the correction, please, everyone. Okay, now why we have written this? Because जब आप इसको divide करोगे ना, you will get the answer as 13.8. फिर नीचे 72 था, फिर 8 आएगा, फिर 8 आएगा, फिर 8 आएगा. And we try to take 2 digits after the decimal. 2 digit तक हम solve करेंगे ही करेंगे. Fine. Rest of the numbers we are just going to erase them. We left with 13.88. Now see the digit, the last digit. If it is smaller than 5, simply remove this. Simply remove this. If it is greater than 5, then we have to remove this. Also, we have to add 1 into the next number. So it is 13.9. ये point समझ में आया? अच्छा बोलो जिसको नहीं समझ में आया. Puneet, I guess it is not so clear. Okay, let's take one more example. Let's say you have the number as 13.43 and one number is 13.47. One more number is there, 13.45. Let's talk about these 3 different numbers. ये 3 numbers हैं आपके पास. You have to write 1 digit after the decimal. तो आप चेक करोगे what is written here onto the second number, क्या लिखा है. Here it is written 3, which is smaller than 5. So we will just remove this and we will just be having the answer as 13.4. If this second number is greater than 5, like here it is written 7, which is greater than 5, so we will remove this definitely, but we will add 1 to the next number. So 4 की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा? 5 आ जाएगा. Also, if the second number is 5, if it is 5 or greater than 5, then we will add 1. अगर छोटा होगा 5 से, then no issues. So now it is equal to 5, so we will remove it, but we will add 1 over here. So it is again 13.5. Got it? So this way what Sukhman said is very correct. 13.88 tha. It's 13.88. The second number is greater than 5. So we will remove it and we will write here 13.9. Is this clear? चलिए, हाँ जी, any doubt? Okay, attendance will be marked at the last of the lesson, okay? Once again. I'm sorry, but this is very important, which I'm doing right now. Okay, ji. हाँ जी, let's move on with the next question. An object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds. Write down. An object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds and then another 16 meter in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the object? An object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds, another 16 meter in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the object? Simple hai. Formula you know now of average speed. Total distance, total time. So you are covering equal distance. हाँ जी, first 16 meter covered in 4 seconds, next 16 meter covered in 2 seconds. What is the answer? Quickly. Who is going to tell? हाँ जी, Daksh.
Ma'am, 5.3 meter per second.
5
3 meter per second.
Okay, very good. हाँ जी, Sukhman.
Ma'am, same 5.3 meter per second.
Very well done. हाँ जी, rest. Any confusion, anyone? Okay, how we did it? We have total distance. Average speed का formula होता है total distance, total time. Fine. सारे steps आप solve करोगे. Conversion होनी नहीं है because meter is the standard. Time का second is the standard. So total distance is 16 plus 16. Total time 4 plus 2. 16 plus 16 is how much? 32. 4 plus 2 is how much? 6. So when you divide it, 32 divided by 6. 6 5s are 30. You left up with 2.0. 3s are 18. Again you left up with 2, 0. Again 3s are 18. So it goes like this. So it is a 5.33 meter per second. Kyunki it is smaller than 5 now, the second number. So we are simply going to erase it. So your answer is a 5.3 meter per second. So this is your answer. I hope it is clear. Okay, so we have the time. Let's try the next question. Okay, write down the next question. A farmer moves along the boundary of a square field. Gurnadhar, I guess this is the question you are saying? You are saying or somebody else, I guess, said? In the starting of the lesson. So we are going to do the question. A farmer moves along the boundary of the square field of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the magnitude of displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds from the initial position? And So farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of side 10 meter. पहले square field draw कर लेते हैं. So this is the square field and the sides of the square field are 10 meter. So all sides 10 meter. Fine. Or to move from one point and come back to the same point. Like if the farmers, let's say, start from this point A. Let's say this is the next point B. This is the next point C. This is the point D. The farmer moves along the boundaries of the square field of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. Going from A to B to C to D to back to A. कितना टाइम लगा उसको? 40 सेकेंड. 40 सेकेंड में एक राउंड कंप्लीट. What will be the magnitude of the displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? हमने 2 मिनट 20 सेकेंड के बाद कितनी डिस्प्लेसमेंट है वो फाइंड करना है. So we must be clear with कि 2 मिनट 20 सेकेंड के बाद वो पहुंचेगा कहाँ पे? Where the farmer is going to reach? Yes. So we have to first check where the farmer reach after 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's do it. 2 minutes 20 seconds. Your eyes onto the screen. Please clear the question first of all. Okay, 2 मिनट 20 सेकेंड है. हम इसको पहले सेकेंड्स में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 2 मिनट मीन्स 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 60 प्लस 20 सेकेंड मोर. So 2 multiplied by 60 is 120 plus 20. How many seconds? 140 seconds. Got it? In 40 seconds, one round is completed. So 140 seconds में कितने राउंड होंगे? It is 140 divide by 40. Divide करना आता है? Is this last step clear? कैसे किया है? So 0 0 cancel. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are. So 7 over 2, that is 3.5. Means in 140 seconds, the farmer is going to take 3.5 rounds. So this is one round, then second round, then third round back to A. उसके बाद half round A to B, B to C. मतलब the farmer is going to reach here. Starting from A, after 3.5 rounds, farmer is going to reach at point C. कहाँ पे पहुंचेगा? C point पे पहुंचेगा. Now what is the displacement from A to C? कितना displacement होगा? Displacement is the straight and the shortest path. Yes? The straight and the shortest path. The shortest path from A to C is a direct line which joins A to C. Direct line from A to C. Isn't it? So this is going to be the shortest path. अब इसकी वैल्यू कैसे फाइंड करोगे? If you see, this is a kind of triangle. Find a triangle with base 10, perpendicular 10, and this hypotenuse A to C, which you have to find out. So you will apply the Pythagoras. That is h square is equal to p square plus b square. So h square is equal to p कितना है? 10, 10 square plus b कितना है 10, again 10 square. So h is equal to 10 square is 100, 10 square is 100, 100 plus 100, 200. So h square is 200. h is equal to under root of 200 और 200 का under root कितना आएगा? You take the LCM of 200. How you have it? 200s are 250, 225, 55, 51. Fine. So it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Whatever the number comes twice, you can take them out as ones. So 2 comes twice. So you have 2 multiplied by 5. 5 is also coming twice. So you have 5 under root 2. So the answer is 10 under root 2 meter. The displacement after 2 minutes and 20 seconds is how much? 10 under root 2 meter. Okay, I'm going to make this question clear once again and then only we end the class. Okay. Again, I'm going to repeat the question. Your eyes onto the screen. सबसे पहले हमें sides given थी square की, हमने diagram बना ली अपनी. They say that find out the magnitude after 2 minutes and 20 seconds. तो हमें पता होना चाहिए कि 2 मिनट 20 सेकंड के बाद where the farmer is going to be. उसके लिए हमने क्या किया? सबसे पहले मिनट्स को सेकंड में कन्वर्ट किया. 140 तक समझ में आ गया? How we reach to 140 seconds? Okay. After that ये प्रोसेस क्या किया हमने? 3.5. If I ask, okay, let me ask a question from Gurnadar. Anji, please unmute Gurnadar. Let's say you are having 10 rupees. Gurnadar, please unmute. Gurnadar, unmute. Okay, who else? Anji, Aman. Okay, let's listen the question first. You have 10 rupees, fine, and you are going to the shopkeeper and you are saying that what is the cost of this candy? Shopkeeper says 2 rupees for one candy. 2 rupees for one candy. You are having 10 rupees. How many candies you are able to get? हाँ जी, एक कैंडी 2 रुपए की है, आपके पास 10 रुपए हैं. हाउ मेनी यू विल गेट? हाँ जी सुखमन.
मैम 5 कैंडीज.
5 कैंडीज. कैसे किया हमने? 10 डिवाइड बाय 2. यस. हाउ मच यू हैव? डिवाइड बाय द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 कैंडी. सेम हियर. 40 सेकेंड्स में 1 राउंड कंप्लीट होगा. 140 सेकेंड्स में कितने राउंड कंप्लीट होंगे? तो हम डिवाइड करेंगे 140 डिवाइड बाय 1 राउंड का टाइम, दैट इज 40. गॉट इट? व्हेन यू सॉल्व इट यू विल गेट 3.5. पॉइंट क्लियर हुआ? डोंट you have not done that unitary method. यूनिटरी मेथड किया हुआ है ना एक? क्या था वो? Okay, let's do it. 40 seconds, 1 round. 1 second में कितने राउंड होंगे? 1/40. 140 seconds में कितने राउंड होंगे? जितने 1 second में हुए हैं, divide by 140. So you can solve it, you will get the answer as 3.5. Fine. So then, after 3.5 seconds, the farmer is going to reach to point C. Now we have to find out the displacement. Displacement is going to be a straight line from A to C, which is the hypotenuse of the triangle. Then we apply the formula of Pythagoras theorem and we get the answer. Anji, any confusion? Shall you are going to try this question once from your side. Fine. And we are going to continue with the next of the numericals in next class. ठीक है जी? Thank you so much. God bless you all. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.